Oh mio Dio!
I'm getting it back in. I have to.
Oh my god!
So just back from Tesco. Oh, got some celery. That's only 4 days worth for us two, Sylvia.
Oh my god, there are a lot.
Call me Celerosh. Right, so this is the first day of our celery challenge. So it's a bit early today, we're up at 6:30. We don't actually have a juicer, so we're going to use a blender. Don't know how that's going to work, it's probably going to be awful, but we'll learn as we go. Let's give this a bit of a wash. Are we meant to eat these leaves? I don't think they're
No.
Let's take that leaf off. Celery amateurs. Yeah. It smells awful. Take a smell of this. Do you think it smells nice?
Yeah, I like celery.
It's crazy. Hopefully this will turn into water, but you never know. This is an absolute fail.
You can add some wood.
This is taking a lot longer than I had anticipated.
Try to...
We need to buy a juicer. How much do juicers cost? This is not juice. This is extra nasty. What do you think?
I think we just need to try it now.
Have you got your shaker anywhere, Sylvia?
I couldn't find it last night.
We could use Meehan's one, but that's probably got mold in it.
Mine's
Smells
somewhere.
a bit like arse. Do you want to pour them in?
Okay.
Ugh. So that's not juice, that's food.
Yeah, I think we should use a spoon instead.
I think I got more than you, that's not fair.
No, like look.
Oh, I can't do it. So I drank a little bit. It's actually really nasty. I didn't press record on my camera because I'm an idiot. What do you think of it?
I think it's really nice.
Oh my god.
Like it's if it was swallow, but
I
it's nice.
I definitely feel sick now. Sylvia seems to be drinking it a lot quicker than me, which is very upsetting. I'm definitely not Celerosh anymore. Right, this is not sustainable. Who thought this was a good idea?
You?
This is your fault, John. It's your fault.
John? John, your friend, sorry. Oh mio Dio!
I was nearly there. Now I have to drink it.
No, I can't drink anymore because I saw you doing
I'm
that.
getting it back in. I have to.
Oh my god! That's terrible.
At least it was more like juice that time. Right, last bit. Nice. Good job. Right, that concludes our day one of the 450 grams of celery juice. We actually had the full 450 grams of celery. I don't think that's the challenge, but look, we upgraded the challenge. We took it a step further. Please give us a like just for that. Right, shall we leave it at that for day one?
Yes, I think we should leave it at that.
Yeah, good job.
What are you doing?
I'm looking up juice machines. Sylvia, are you ready to go buy a shitty juicer for 60 euros? Just for one video?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Sweet.
Close your connection point.
It's the juice life, or the juice life, as Sylvia would say.
Ta-da!
Whoop, whoop. Bit of cookworks. Nice. Where'd you get it? Argos. Right. Hello people and welcome to day 2 of the Celery Challenge vlog. Unfortunately Sylvia isn't here today, she had to go to hospital. So should be okay, just getting a few checkups. Keep you updated. So I'm going to do this one solo today. Have my celery sticks, but I also have my new juicer. So it's actually quite a good juicer. You better wash the celery first so it don't get COVID. Cut off this septic stem or whatever it's called. Bit of a juicing amateur here, so let's see what happens. Right, we've got half the celery sticks here to start off with. Pop it in there. Bah! Stick this thing over it. And let's see what we got. So I did an orange yesterday. I'm not sure if I should push this or not. Do you think I should push it?
Yeah, that's tremendous.
Gotta push it hard.
Push all the way down, man.
Oh baby. The pro behind me is teaching me.
I was wondering, I was like, why are you not?
Oh! Woo, baby! That's looking good. Gonna go for a bit of a part 2. Woo! Right. I think that's it. There's still a bit of juice coming out here, as you may be able to see. Right, so that was 450 grams, 16 ounces of celery, and it's given me just under 300 mils of juice. Right, so seeing as Sylvia can't be with us today, she's gonna be with us in spirit on the computer. So, my love, let's drink this together. Well, look, I can tell you it's a lot easier than yesterday. So when you come back later, it's gonna be a lot easier, baby. Now, what you think of that? Yeah, that wasn't bad, wasn't it? Not. That was actually a lot easier than yesterday. Right, I can do that. I can do that every day. That was no issue. I'll do a little bit of checking up to see if that was the correct amount of juice. I think it was. Should be okay. Quite a lot of celery. Anyway, until tomorrow, have a great day. Good morning, people. Okay, so we just got news that Sylvia will hopefully be getting out of the hospital today. So I'm going to go ahead and make the juices for both of us, and then we're going to drink them when she comes back. If anyone knows if we should be eating these leaves, please let me know in the comments. We got celery for 2. Let's do it. I'm kind of excited about this now. Get in there, baby. So, double what I had yesterday. 1 for me and 1 for Sylvia. Right, we got them in the fridge. They're ready. See you later.
So somebody has returned. She's very sick though. She can't. She's not actually able to walk properly. So I'm only joking. So Sylvia's back. She's back in action. She's healthy. She's alive for now. No, you're okay, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yes.
Right. So are you ready to resume?
How many?
There's 350 mils of the finest celery juice that you'll ever have. Do you want to taste it? I already had it yesterday, so I know what it's like.
What is it?
It's okay. It's actually like, I think you'll actually like it. It's nothing compared to the pulp that we had.
Not too bad. No, it's nice. Like actually, I was the last time. No, it's good.
It's pretty horrible.
Like it's so healthy.
Right, should we drink it all at once?
Okay, Gigi.
Have you got anything to say?
No.
No. Alright, well, we shall see you tomorrow morning. Sylvia, you're going to make this.
Me?
Yeah. So, forgot to say, we're on the same day here. We literally just drank that juice there for day 3. So, we're going to make day 4's now. We're going to make some now for tomorrow. Sylvia hasn't made it yet, so she's going to make a bit of celery juice now. Look at the juice coming out. Look at that juicy juice. Fancy yourself a bit of a juice, huh? Nice job. Still coming out. So it's about the same as earlier. So it seems to be quite a consistent machine. About another 700 mils of juice. Do you want to take a quick video of me? I have to show them the less. It's a very glamorous lifestyle being a celery juicer, as one might imagine, but this is the less glamorous side of the lifestyle. Cleaning the machine. It's not all glitz and glam in the life of a celery juicer. It actually washes really easy. And that's it. It's the part they all don't want to do. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow morning. Okay guys, we're going for a bit of early morning pre-work shake. Well, not shake, juice. So here we go. It's been done last night. Now just to drink it. I'm just out of bed. It's 6:30 in the morning. This is not the most ideal thing. I suppose it does wake you up a little bit though. Cheers. See you later on. Sylvia will probably record her juice drinking later, so
Morning.
So people, we're on, is it day 4?
No, it's more than 4.
Day 5. It's day
No,
5.
wake up.
What? What's wrong?
I'm
Are you feeling ugly, is it?
yeah, I do.
Oh well. It's okay, you're never ugly. Right. Do you want to make it?
You mean this time. I mean next time.
Next time. I'm going to be quick this time. They call me Kourosh. This is my new technique, look. Sylvia just made a fantastic dinner. More greens. Asparagus. These were awful healthy, aren't we? Yeah, Jesus, that's a lot of juice. Juicy juice. You ready?
Yeah. I think fresh is even more stronger.
It tastes like a swimming pool. Ugh. Sorry, didn't mean to. Sylvia. Nice. Right, until tomorrow for the second last day. Peace.
Peace and love.
And love. Let us begin the penultimate day of the celery juice challenge. I don't know why I keep calling it a challenge. It's not really a challenge. Some of you may be wondering how I feel after 5 days of celery juice. Well, to be honest with you, I feel exactly the same. Anyway, let's get to making the 6th out of the 7th batch of celery. Oh, the excitement, I cannot contain myself. I'm getting good at this. Right, yeah, I feel like I'm getting really good. Let's see how quickly I can do this, okay? Oh, he's getting good at this. I think that's it. I just remembered that Sylvia was meant to make the celery today. My bad. I got excited. That was quite quick. I think that was about a minute and a half. We're going for a new glass today. Bit of a moving up in the world, you know, with fancy glasses. This is what happens when you make it in life. You get to drink out of high quality Aldi glasses. Now that I'm like so rich from YouTube, they're paying me a lot of money, you know? What are they paying me? About €0 a month? Yeah, it's not bad, it's not bad. Let's bring this bad boy into the Sylvmeister. Sylvia!
I can't open the door. I haven't got any hands. No hands. Nice. You're ready for the people. Come on.
It's a joke.
A joke? There's no jokes on YouTube. Let's do it. Hold on, 1 sec. We got bad lighting. Let's get you in the good light, honey.
No, I don't need to do that. Please.
Oh, look at her.
You better.
Isn't she lovely? Right, let's go. Nailed it. I love the way she closes the door. There's no one here. Right, my turn. Still tastes like the swimming pool or the sea. I think it's the sea. I think it tastes salty. Am I right in saying celery is a bit salty? Right, until tomorrow. Ciao. Hello peoples and welcome to the final day of the celery thing. Do you know what I did yesterday? I didn't cut them in half. I just went.
Oh, you did? Are you sure?
You should call you Gordon Ramsay.
You didn't remove the leaves, right?
No, I just left them on. I figured it's all the same. What time is it? It's juice o'clock.
It's a lot today.
Yeah, I know. It's weird. Maybe you're just better at juicing than me.
Oh, but for sure.
Thank God that this is the last day. I think Sylvia's gonna keep going. We can ask her after. But
Yeah.
right, that's my last day of drinking the sea.
Are you sure your last day? Are you not going to keep going?
I don't think so. Right, I'll pour this for you. Here you go, my love. You made the light work of that one. I think that was your best.
Yeah, I did.
You're getting good now.
Yeah.
Right, so Sylvia, tell the people, are you going to keep...
Definitely. I'm going to keep drinking the
pop
celery.
there? Nice.
Yeah, I'll definitely keep going with the celery juice because I love that.
Nice.
It's healthy and good for your body, so definitely keep going with that.
Okay.
Not every day, but 3 times a week, twice a week.
Nice. That is good. So Sylvia has been enjoying it. Do you feel any different?
No, but like I feel that it is good for my body. I feel like it brings me to...
Nice. I, on the other hand, I'm not going to keep doing it because I think it is too much effort and it is
just
disgusting. But yeah, I do feel like it's definitely more healthy. I think if you have any I don't know, if there's anything that you feel unhealthy with, or if you feel that your body needs some improvement in one way or another, then I would recommend maybe trying it for a month. I don't think a week is long enough to notice any differences. Yeah, so that is our celery challenge for the week. Have you got anything else to say? No? Well guys, if you did enjoy that video, please give it a like and throw a comment in under beneath to tell us what you thought. I do bring a new video out every Monday, so until next Monday, goodbye and good luck.